Being outdoors is the best.
Ha! Yes, yes. Holidays in Britain. Staycation. Woohoo! So awesome. So awesome. Yeah, that's cool. Excellent, excellent.
And I believe that would be
a new video. I'm Sendito and you're watching Sendito's Adventures. You may ask why.
to make happy memories. Yeah.
Yes, I made it. Seriously, this is why you should do it. Wow. Well, I quickly realized cycling on the side of that canal is actually not going to work. It's far from the path of dreams, this. Very bumpy. It's just not gonna work. So we are back here and we are eventually going to get into all this. Good morning. Such a beautiful start of the day, shortly after 5 o'clock. It's pissing down. Or you can choose to ride in rain. Now, this is what you call adventure, innit? This is pretty bad. I mean, like, seriously.
Stop recording accidentally.
It's sometime after 7 o'clock. I still got an hour and a half away. I'm gonna cycle as far as possible, but that means I'm gonna go as far from the city as possible. I prefer to stay in the nature. Yes, you probably can't see anything, and this is the point, that nobody see you doing it. Nobody knows, that nobody finds out you doing it. Wild camping is like stealth camping.
And then there we go. Yeah, keeping my back warm. Just a simple hammock with a beer holder. I've got a sleeping bag with a mesh. Actually, in a forest woodlands like this, on the side of a reservoir, yes, there might be plenty of little flies. And there is a chance of rain. Then you are also prepared. You've got a tap.
Nice. Aha. Good morning. Such a lovely morning. Oh, good morning, good morning. Oh, such a lovely morning, innit? Pew! We camp. Stayed here overnight. Been a bit cold, but who cares? It's been outdoors and it's been awesome. So let's crack on. Wow. Yeah, I also got some fresh water from the stream on the side, which is actually the cleanest water I've seen so far. Although I am not going to be risking my shit anymore. So I am going to use Oasis tablets. I mean just one. It's 1 per liter, it's 750 milliliters there. I guess nothing's gonna happen. I've been using that over the whole trip. It was very hot for the last 2 days, so I was drinking a lot. No, it's just take a tablet, poof, drop it in, and we'll leave it inside for like half an hour of cycling, and then I'm going to be drinking that. Yeah. Hi there. How you doing, little boy? You alright? A snack or two? No, 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 no. This can go with you. It came with you. It can go back with you. Yeah? Leave no trace. No, no, no. Seriously, you can actually throw rubbish in there. Yeah, leave no trace. Now it's time to prep some food. Yeah. And obviously a mug. Yeah, you can enjoy coffee. Quick and hassle-free. Such a nice spots like this. Yeah. Get it. Oh yes, lovely golden hour. There it is. Ha.